Tonight, a family is hoping to spark change after their mother fell and later died at an assisted living facility in Pasco County. They tell 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Chris Hurst, despite an award of more than $1 million in their wrongful death case, the facility's owner may never have to pay up.
Merry Christmas to you.
Moved over here from Scotland when she was a teenager and achieved her dream of becoming a U.S. citizen and starting a family.
For decades, Lily Carl's life was a dream.
My family had moved down to Florida in 1989, I think it was, because of the weather. My mom was a huge sun and beach fan.
Shared with her two children, Stephanie and Doug.
We built an apartment in our home for her, and I took care of her here in our home.
As she got older, her diagnosed dementia got worse. Stephanie and Doug spent a year searching for a memory care facility.
It feels like you're in an upscale hotel, and that is really what made us decide on going to the Waverly.
Before moving their mom into the Waverly Assisted Living Facility in Trinity 2 years ago. But less than a day later, Lily fell in her room and died a few weeks later from her injuries. Her family sued, saying Waverly is negligent and understaffed.
We felt strongly that it was a viable case, and we filed pretty quickly.
Their attorney says the housing contract forced them into arbitration, where 2 months ago, a panel ordered Waverly to pay the Carls $1.5 million.
Following the verdict, they've now tried to hide themselves in bankruptcy.
Earlier this month, though, the Waverly's owners filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy, meaning it might not have to pay the award at all.
Hardly any insurance, hardly any assets, and it's all to protect themselves from liability like this.
The Waverly only has a $100,000 insurance policy. Florida law doesn't require a minimum amount of insurance for assisted living facilities. Stephanie and Doug now want to change that.
I wish I knew that before we went into this, because I know that there are some laws as far as assisted livings are concerned in Florida, but I thought we would be way more protected.
Chris Hurst, 10 Tampa Bay News.
We did send an email to the Waverly asking for comment on this, but did not get a response. The facility is facing another lawsuit from a family of a different resident who died after wandering from his room and into a walk-in freezer.